What's up everyone? We've seen a bunch of gadgets launching at IFA 2019 and we are going to be taking a first look at another one that we spotted over here in Berlin. Now this new device is from Razer. Now this is what Razer calls the world's first gaming Ultrabook, and the name of this device is Razer Blade Stealth. So if you're looking for a portable device for PC gaming, then this could be an interesting option for you. Now before you watch this video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish new videos. The Razer Blade Stealth is a compact laptop designed to take advantage of Intel's 10th Gen Ice Lake CPUs with the integrated Gen 11 Iris Plus graphics. Now this enables high quality 60 FPS gaming even on battery power, no matter where you are. Now Intel says that gamers will be able to continue to play without compromise when on the go, even in a car or on an airplane. The Razer Blade Stealth is designed to stay cool rather than throttling the CPU after a little while, which would negatively affect performance. This laptop is available with an optional NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GPU or the Mercury White edition, which features Intel's Core i7-1065G7 processor running at 25 watts with Iris Plus graphics. You get a Full HD or optional 4K touch-enabled screen, up to 512 GB of PCIe SSD storage and 16 GB of LPDDR4 RAM. There's Thunderbolt 3 and Wi-Fi 6 as well, and you also get an RGB backlit keyboard and Windows Hello IR camera. The body is 15mm thin and this laptop weighs 1.3 kilograms. The Razer Blade Stealth will be available for sale in the US and Europe starting at $1,500 or €1,700 respectively at the end of September. Now this will roll out to other countries in Asia later this year, but don't expect to see this in India anytime soon since Razer laptops are not officially available here. So that was our quick look at the Razer Blade Stealth. What do you think about this laptop? Let us know via the comments. And for all things tech, don't forget to log on to gadgets360.com.